guys hear that? What's a freaking rumbling? I was in my abode here. I heard it and I thought it was like just a jet flying over. But I don't hear it now. Dude, it was so loud I could hear it in there. Luckily I was just watching something on, I was just posting stuff on media. You gotta go back and look. It was loud. It was like, I mean, it was like this bad, Larry. It was right above these freaking storm clouds or whatever you want to fucking call this shit. Oh, it was light. It was thunder. Dude, I was tripping. I thought it might be. I thought it can't be thunder. But, yep, it's thunder. Yep. Mystery solved. It was thunder. What the freaking jet or something. I thought it was some jet flying in this shit. Come over to my house. It's like, sound like it was flying over my boat, man. See? But no, this was, you heard it. It came, the thunder, if it was thunder, it came over my boat and went that way where my phone's pointing, dude. This was, you can hear it over there because you saw the lightning. This thunder rolled across here. And by the time I got here is when you heard it dissipate and go away. That was crazy. Next time I hear it, I'm getting up and going to get out here and check it out. I just thought it was like a low-flying jet in this crap. Everybody be safe out there.